Today is August the 25th. It is 6:30 p.m. My feeder is set to go off at 7:30 p.m. and I have quite a few pigs showing up almost every night between about 7:30 and 9:30. I'd like to give a shout out to the guys from Archery Outpost in Tulsa for keeping me supplied with arrows, going through about a dozen arrows a month chasing these pigs around. So I'm prepared to sit into the dark for a while tonight with my red light if I need to. We'll see what happens. those bugs were spooking him, he was spooking them. It's 7:39, so I think I'll sit a while longer and see if something else shows up. Okay, that's about 9:30, and I tracked that hog that I shot at 10 minutes till 8. It only went about 50 yards, but it didn't bleed very much. That's the exit. And I think the arrow ricocheted upward because I shot him about that same height on the other side. It was a pretty good downward shot. There's the entrance, which at the downward angle should have been pretty good, but it just went straight through or kicked up just a hair. He's about, I don't know, 40 pounds, young boar. It was a good night. Didn't see anything else though.